Hispanic Review is a peer-reviewed academic journal which focuses on research in Hispanic and Luso-Brazilian literature and culture. The journal was created in 1933 to replace the French journal Revue Hispanique that had just stopped publication. Since its creation, the journal has been edited by the Department of Romance Languages at the University of Pennsylvania. The journal is published quarterly by the University of Pennsylvania Press. It is available online through Project MUSE and JSTOR. The current general editor is Román de la Campa. University of Pennsylvania. Russell P. Sebold has been the longest-serving editor, having directed the journal for over 29 years. Ignacio Javier López, Barbara Fuchs, and Michael Solomon have served as editors in the past. Current issues of the journal are available electronically through Project MUSE. Earlier issues can be found through JSTOR. Official website. Journal page on JSTOR. Journal page on Project MUSE.